You know that Tubey toys are out of this world.
You guys, you're having so much fun without me. Can you get me out of this box? I want to dance too. We're so sorry, Princess Jasmine. The princesses were just having too much fun dancing. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and today with my awesome assistant,
Tubey.
Can you say hello, Tubey?
Hi, Tubey.
Hey guys, today we have a new addition to our Magical Movers princesses. This is the Magical Movers Princess Collection by Hasbro. They are super pretty and super fun. Can you see how awesome they all can dance? I'm telling you, Belle can move. She was like breakdancing at one point. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys, and don't forget to ring that bell. When you ring that bell, you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we post a video or a giveaway. And make sure you comment below first, so we know that you commented first. And if you're new here, don't forget to let us know in the comments below too. Let's get started. Today we are opening up Princess Jasmine from the amazing movie Aladdin. This is so cool. She has her magic carpet. Oh my gosh, and a little bed over here. This is so cool.
The beautifulest Princess Jasmine I ever seen.
She's gorgeous. My goodness. I can't wait to see her twirl around. Look at the beautiful teal color. And her hair. I love how they did their hair up. So pretty.
She almost looks like Tiger Lily.
Oh, yeah. Almost. Oh, it does. It comes with a little sleeping mask so she can go to sleep on her bed. Cute. That is. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Oh! Look at the detail! To charge her up, we have to pull the magic lamp.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh. I wonder if there's a genie inside.
I don't think so.
So let's give her a charge. Let's see her walk. Let's see her travel on her magic carpet. Woo! There she goes! Oh, thank you for turning off those lights. You're welcome, Princess Jasmine. Let's see if you travel down. Let's see if she can travel down her steps. So cool. Wow, look at her go.
She is the best at dancing.
She really is. I love it. If you place her here, this little birdie will dance around too. Thank you so much for taking me out. Can we go dancing now? Of course. Let's charge up everybody. What's cool is that you could charge them up on any base, and Ariel seems to be the best one. Woo! Whoa! Look at Belle go.
I know.
She is a dancer.
Yeah.
Here we go. They're all dancing and twirling. Whee! Wow, Belle is a dancer. Oh no, Jasmine's down. Who will be down next? Who do you think is going to go down next? I think it's going to be Rapunzel. Yep. Next is Ariel. She looks like she's going. Ariel, are you going to go down? Can we charge them back up? Ariel's down. Belle is down. Cinderella is the winner. Oh no. Look at these girls twirl. Do you like the new Jasmine that we just got? The new Princess Jasmine Magical Mover? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubey Toys. Have fun today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, have a great day.
Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.